Hey, welcome everybody. I got something really cool in the mail today. It was sent to me free of charge, and any opinions today on this video are totally my own. Because they sent it free, it's not going to sway my judgment. But John at Tripod's Garage and Tim from DeWitt 3D both use this document camera for close-ups, and they have this here on Amazon in the USA for, I think it's $89.99 right now. Occasionally they have sales, and right now they've got it marked down to $59.99. I contacted the company. They were nice enough to send it out to me to check out. I'm pretty positive I'm going to love it, but I'm going to compare it to my C920 that I normally use on a little tripod here. When I do my close-ups, I usually do use this, and this one will be on an arm. And yeah, I just want to let's unbox it and check it out and see what we got here. So this came in the mail a few days ago, and I'm just finally getting around to unboxing it, looking at it. See what we got here. I thought about ordering a couple of these, but you know, I don't know that I would use it that often if I had more than one. But let's see what we got here. Nice heavy base. It's going to be pretty simple, cut and dry, but yeah, for the price, I mean, even at $89, from what I hear, this is a great little camera. It's great on close-ups for your 3D prints, or if you're painting, or, you know, just doing a video or showing anything, or a time-lapse. I don't know about a time-lapse, but any kind of close-ups. Yeah, I guess you could hook this up to your Octoprint for time-lapses. But get all the tape off of it. Little one-eyed robot. Just press it in the base, very simple. And it's got buttons on the back, positive, negative. It looks like got a light bulb, and then plus with arrows around it, so we'll see what that's for. Check out the paperwork here. Just tape off my fingers. Then we'll go over to Amazon. I'll check it out on there real quick. Check it out and show you guys what they got. And then down below in the description below this video, I'll put a link where you can go over and purchase it on Amazon if you'd like. Document Camera Quick Guide Model K913AF. See, the base and the arm rotates 120 degrees. The camera rotates 360, tilts down. Okay, the top left button is a focus button. The light or the power is the light bulb, and then a brightness, positive and negative, or the plus and minus down below. So, but we'll get this thing plugged in. Let me go over to Amazon real quick. Let's check out their site. Let's see. Okay, here's their site right here. It's on Amazon USA. It's currently $59.99, normally $89, which is a great price. My mouse to work properly. Look at some of their pictures here. 8 megapixel autofocus camera. Let's see. Other details, built-in microphone. Rotates. That's 4 touch buttons, as I mentioned. Close-up view up to 10 centimeters. Yeah, it's pretty close. So, looks pretty cool. Run down through here, see what it says about it. Document, scanner, camera, and webcam. I mainly got it for autofocus on doing different 3D prints or things that I'm painting. I can do a close-up on it, but it's pretty cool. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah, let me get this thing plugged in, and we'll go from there. It's supposed to be plug and play. Plug it in, and your computer sees it, and we go from there. So, 1 second, and we'll be right back. Okay, here we got the document camera. The light is turned off. And there's a Frankenstein by Photo Cement, I believe. Pretty sure that was by Photo Cement, resin printed that done a while back. Frankenstein's Monster, anyway. And then here's the C920. Now this document camera, because it's on this flexible base, and it's got a light on it. Let's see, where's the light at? There's the light. You know, if I'm doing a 3D print or something, I can get really close up to the print. And with Logitech, unless I have it on some sort of a mount, I can't get that close to it. But looks really good. You know, if it's in a dark room or you got the lights off in the room and you're filming a print, you can just have this little camera, little light turned on this camera. There, the lights off. And then once again, back over here on there's a C920, I believe it says. Yeah, it's a Logitech C920. So there's a C920 on a tripod that doesn't move. I mean, I can reposition it, but I can't sit there and, you know, move it up and over and all over the place like this. So, but yeah, it's really cool. It's got a plastic case around on the head of it. Looks like it's plastic. The arms are all metal, and metal springs, obviously. Base appears to be possibly metal. And it's got probably a 6-foot cord on it, USB. But, yeah, this will be a great addition to, oops, what I got going on here. So, do a lot of close-ups. But, yeah, it seems to work okay. And like I say, you can position it in any kind of position you get in close to work on this or that. It rotates around. This will be really cool to use in my live streams, showing off different things I'm working on. If I'm painting or working on something or soldering, I can easily get a close-up. Otherwise, I've got to grab this little monster here and try to reposition the legs to get in close enough. And this works, but it's kind of a hassle. But this is, you know, for what I want to do, this will be much better for moving around. It'll be a nice addition to what I got currently going on. So, like I say, it's got a light there on the back. Just aim it where you want it. Snake it around. But yeah, I think it's a great deal for $89. It's a great deal for $59.99 that it currently is on Amazon. So, I hope you guys like this short little video. Check out. So, Bochani over on Amazon, thank you very much for sending this out. This is awesome. If I ever find a reason to buy another one in the future, I'll go over and I'll pick up another one. But yeah, this is very cool. Works great. Like I say, tripods, used one for quite a while. DeWitt has been using one for quite a while. I'm sure a lot of people out there, a lot of you guys might already have one. But if you don't, like I say, it's a great price right now on sale for $59.99. Normal price, $89.99. I'll have a link below in the description if you'd like to go check it out. So please like, subscribe, and share. And happy printing and happy resin printing. Thank you very much.